Hey. Okay, Rich.
Complete.
Hey, I told you that.
Complete.
Yes, sir.
Complete.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes.
Tomorrow morning,
Yes, sir.
if they follow me go site. You are starting work tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You can go inside. Or you can, if you want to
No, I won't. Make I finish with it. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
God bless you.
You are welcome.
Hi, God. Wow.
Dig. Put the shovel inside. Make sure it's 6 feet. Make sure it's 6 feet.
Okay, sir.
I mean, the last measurement, how many do we? 5 point something back.
Yeah.
So it's almost 6 feet.
Very hard.
So make sure you dig it deep. That one has stone.
Yes, the stone, but I go
Don't
do.
worry, I will get you a digger.
I
So
go do for.
you try to break it.
I
You're doing well.
go
I will buy you. I'll buy you.
do.
I'll buy you puff and
Say Oga.
and
Say Oga.
yes.
Wow.
Do it very well.
Yo,
Oga will
Oga.
soon be coming. Yes. Dig. Make sure that it's deep enough. Fast. You're doing well. I'll buy you Zobo and buns. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
When that woman that said buns and Zobo comes,
Okay,
then
sir.
I'll buy you. Welcome, sir.
How you doing now?
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, bro.
Welcome.
Well done, job.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Well done.
Well done.
I work.
We are almost done. This one there, we have like 6 feet right now. Right? So I just want him to just dress up.
I can see you are doing well. You are doing well. But in that case, I can't clear to come.
Oh, Mr. Cletus,
Sir,
welcome.
thank you.
You are the new worker.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please get the shovel so that we
God
can.
I know you work different. Now I'm going to measure the road now. Now you work because you don't. If you finish the hole, you go inside measure them. If you head come out, no complete.
Oh.
And you wait. You if you dey inside that hole, they see anybody, no complete. Tell them say make they complete that. Now I work with that. Now you go to measure that.
Sir,
From here.
excuse me, sir. Are you telling us that it's a perfect
6 feet.
6 feet?
Yes. 6 feet.
Excuse me, sir. Make I enter here.
You go jump inside.
Okay,
Measure am.
technically, literally, that is what it
Yes.
means.
You know, be that yesterday when you come where they measure you. Why did they measure you?
With
And I waiting qualify you for the job. Now the job is this.
okay. Even as I come out from my village, they come. If I no tell my mama say I won't enter inside grave. I go tell me make I enter at the
This
look
is
for.
a NEPA pole. You want to bury a pole here.
Put pole now.
Now
Put
6 feet.
you no go put pole. Now me be pole. No, why you go put
Okay,
me?
because my guy just said he measured you and you are 6 feet.
I know be who tell you say I be 6 feet, Oga? I know I tell you say I need job, and you tell me say na me go there in charge of this electric pole where they want put. You can't tell me, Oga. I beg, I don't need job again.
Technically, what my Oga and literally what my Oga is trying to say is that you are the new measuring tip.
I know if you Oga. I beg, sir.
If you come up for here now, what lie? No call me again for money.
I don't need job again.
You don't
I don't need the work again.
What do you want to do?
No, thank you, sir. God bless you.
What do you mean?